Hi, my name is Jackie, and I chose Mayflower to restore my kitchen. So unfortunately, I had a dishwasher overflow, which meant the kitchen was outdated anyway, so it was an opportunity to redo. I moved in here a few years ago, and I believe that kitchen was outdated. There were cherry wood stock cabinets, poorly designed. The floor was regular ceramic tile and outdated for the most part. I think it was the designer that was the hook. She was very nice, very cordial, explained everything, and behind the scenes was willing to do the legwork in terms of working with the insurance company, and I was able to get things done quickly. Mayflower took the lead in terms of working with the insurance company, which made it easy on my part. Given that I am the homeowner, I did have a small role, but Mayflower did the majority of the legwork. I did have interaction with the crew. They were very nice kids, very young, really experienced, had an opportunity to find out where they were from, and it's just, I was in awe of the work that they do, the cabinetry, the flooring. I wish I had their hands, but they were very friendly, young guys, and I think they did a great job. In comparison to previously in the update, it exceeds what I thought it would look like. I love my floor and I love the cabinetry. I do, the floor and the cabinetry, and just how it flows in terms of the crown molding and the finishing touches. It's just down to every little minute detail, especially with the trim and the finishing. I love the cabinetry and the flooring. I've actually made a referral. When my sister came over, she was excited, but she wasn't sure of the mile radius in terms of where Mayflower will go. But once people see the final end result, perhaps they may open up and travel out further.